Hi, I'm Matt Mosier, and today I'm going to take you through a project that I did last year, which was purchasing a single family home, converting it to 2 separate units, and I currently rent them out on Airbnb and VRBO. The 3 principles or strategies that I used with this project was the principle of highest and best use, value add, and also the BRRRR strategy. I'll explain each of these items in a little bit, but first let's go in and take a look what the place looked like before and what it looks like now. Originally, this room was a garage, and a previous owner had converted it into an office, and they had a door that led into the main 3-bedroom part of the home. Now, when I looked at this property, thinking of highest and best use, I did my due diligence, checked with the township, and I determined that there could be a second unit created legally in this home. And the second strategy in this project was the value add. So in the 3-bedroom side, I did a lot of work there, which you will see. And on this side, creating an entirely separate and second unit was a huge value add here. Okay, let's take a look and see what we have now. Due to the small size of this bachelor unit, I put in a Murphy bed. I think it works well with the space, and it's a very comfortable sleep. Now that you've seen the bachelor unit, let's go over and see the 3-bedroom main part of the house. But first, let's take a look at how the 3-bedroom part of the home looked before. And let's take a look now. And the last strategy I mentioned was the BRRRR strategy, which means buy, renovate, rent, and refinance. If buying or selling property in the Parry Sound, Muskoka, and Georgian Bay area interests you, or if you like the idea of investing in real estate, then let's connect on Instagram at mattmosier.realestate or at my Facebook page, Matt Mosier, Real Estate Broker.